Do you love to crack your neck? Many people do, and they do it daily. But what are the effects of cracking your neck every day? Is it bad or good? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you some surprising facts about cracking your neck that you probably didn't know. So make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss out on this important information. When you are cracking your neck, are you feeling relief or are you feeling more pain? If you are feeling relief, that's a good sign. However, if you are feeling more pain, then it's time to stop and seek professional help because you might have a serious problem. Simply by cracking your neck, you are tricking your brain into thinking that you are doing something to improve your health. Some people develop a habit of cracking their neck multiple times per day, and this can lead to problems down the road. You can do this by going to a chiropractor or a massage therapist who is trained in spinal manipulation. Don't crack your neck too often, or you may cause injury to yourself. They will be able to crack your neck for you and help you to avoid any potential risks. Make sure to like and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe for more health-related videos. Thanks for watching. And this can actually improve your health. First of all, let me ask you a question. When you crack your neck, you are putting your spine at risk of injury. The joints in your spine are not designed to move in a way that is outside of their normal range of motion. This can cause problems over time. Now let's talk about the benefits of cracking your neck. First, it can improve your range of motion. When you crack your neck, you are separating the vertebrae, and this can help to improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. By cracking your neck, you are releasing the tension in these muscles, and this can help you to relax. This is why many people feel relief from neck pain when they crack their neck. Second, it can help you to relax. When you are tense or stressed, your neck muscles can become tight. Third, it can make you feel better. There is a placebo effect when it comes to cracking your neck. However, there are also some potential risks associated with cracking your neck. Another risk of cracking your neck is that you may become addicted to it. So what should you do? If you want to crack your neck, make sure to do it in a safe way. If you don't want to see a professional, then make sure to do it in moderation. So what do you think? Will you continue to crack your neck after watching this video, or will you stop? Let us know in the comments below.